So this watch I wanted to buy. It was around 28,000, but I bought from Fossil website and I got it at discount period, so I got it at 18,000 itself. So this is a card. That's the box. Star Wars Fossil. So this is the box. It has joined the dark side, the symbol of Star Wars. So something is written limited edition Star Wars Fossil. Now this is the box. I think this will again come out. Yes. And this has something here. What it is? Okay. It says limited edition. Fossil warranty slip, something. Fossil card. Okay, certificate of authenticity. Limited edition. It looks really nice actually. I don't know if mobile it's coming, but in reality this logo looks really good. So let's keep this aside. Let's see the watch. So it has written Fossil. Okay, box is good. Okay, it made a sound. Okay, it has some magnetic thing. I think something here. So when I opened it, it made this sound. Let's hear it again. Okay. And here's the logo of Darth Vader. Sponge. And yeah, here's the watch. Wow, it looks so good, man. Oh, I think it is some sound is based on some movement, I think. Okay, let me take out the watch. Okay, the box is a little tough with one hand. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, it was quite tough. Good protection, both sides. This was on top. And this is the watch. LE11 number. Fossil India. MRP. Something here. Okay, this is a normal watch holder. And this is the watch. Let me take this out. How to take? Wow, it's nicely packed. Okay, so it's really tough to remove this. I need to see how to remove this. Do I need to cut it? Okay, yeah, finally it's like this. Okay, so this is an lightsaber. So here's the hour. Where's minute? Okay, this lightsaber is minute. Where's second? Okay, this is second, but I don't know how to see second. And it's an automatic watch. And backside they have disabled the machinery. So I have a skeleton watch. So this is what is behind the watch actually. This is the one which helps in moving with the movement, and it winds up the machinery, and that's how this watch works. Yeah, So that's the same mechanism, I think it's same fossil. So behind this watch as well, same machinery will be there like this one, but they have nicely covered it, and backside as well. And let me open it one moment. Finally, it has some engraving here as well. So the number it says is 1412. Yeah, 1412. So I think 1500, or no, it's written 1412 of 1983. Okay, so 1983, I think that is relevant to Star Wars. And it says 40th anniversary something. I'm not that aware of Star Wars franchise. I have watched their movies and I especially like this character Darth Vader. That's why I got this watch. And so something, maybe they only made 1983 watches, and this is 1412 of that watch. Quality is good, it's matte black. And let me see how it looks on hand. So that's how it looks at hand. It looks very cool actually. I'm not removing these labels because I'm planning to sell it after some time. Like I'll keep it with me for 5-10 years. See, I don't know if fossil are not that collectible, but still I'm hoping maybe someday it might hold some value. And plus it's automatic, so it will always last. So that's how it will look and in your hand. And really it gives two shades actually. You can clearly see the glass is very good, and people will definitely notice this watch. But guys, I still don't know where is this minute. Hours is fine, it's 2 o'clock. Okay, is this minute? Let me see. I don't know where is minute. Wait, let me find it out. Mechanism is working. Where is second? So I found out by rotating this button. I'll show you where is hour and minute. So basically I'll rotate this, then you'll understand. Wait. So that's how the lightsaber will move. And you see the hour is here. 1. Now it should become 12. 11. So I think watching time is little complicated. Like in one glance you won't be able to see it. And this lightsaber red color is the minute hand. And let me start. And you see down here this red arrow, this is actually second. It's very small. Even with my naked eyes also I can't tell you. Like I can tell you it's 7, 10, but seconds now it went to 60. And again, what is this number? Like see this portion. Okay, now it's 10. Okay, I got it. Every 10 seconds you can see what the second is. Next should come as 20 here. See, it's 20. So this is the second hand. And I think Here also some number is there. What is this number? 2018. I think I have to explore it further. I don't know right now. What is 24? Okay, 24 hours. 7 means it should be 19. So somewhere here 18, 19. Maybe that's what it's telling. 24 hour. Once I'll start using, I might know. And some good things about this watch is it's written it's 21 jewels, some Star Wars symbol, then fossil, and time. Yeah, overall a beautiful watch. I really like it because red and black color gives a good look